Good Tuesday! I'm not sure if you've heard about these. You probably have heard of Extrema ceramic cookware. This is Longaberger Flameware. Supposed to be among the healthiest things to cook in. Made in China. I think at one point they were making them in the US. Longaberger is best known for their baskets. I think they started selling them in 73 or 78. What's interesting about this is that they are very much like Visions in the sense that they can go from extreme hot to extreme cold, supposedly without breaking. This came with a little silicone sleeve for the handle. It does also come with a cover, but that wasn't part of the auction. This is supposed to be a demo model, new. It had stickers on the bottom. I've removed them. What surprised me when I took it out of the box was just how light it is. It is I expected it to be heavier if you're thinking pottery. This is very lightweight. If you watch their videos, these are supposed to be seasoned. They say you only have to season once. You season it by pouring some milk in, simmer for 5 minutes, take it off the heat, let it cool, and then clean it and you're done. I really don't want to season this with milk. Have you ever simmered milk in a pan? And then you have that white film you have to get off of? That's not always easy to get off. This is supposed to be something about the proteins bonding with the surface. It's a very attractive pan. I've been looking at these for years. They were just too expensive. When I saw this one at like half the price, I had to get it. I'm always looking for the perfect pan. And yes, we're going to cook eggs. Now let me explain something. If you're on my channel, it looks like I cook a lot of eggs. But that's because eggs are the perfect test food for a new pan. If you can cook eggs in your pan, you can cook anything. If we come back and the pan's on the stove with the milk in it, you know I'm seasoning it. That's a waste of milk. That's about 1 inch. That's going to have to do. Instructions in the description. This handle would be very hot if it was cast iron by now, but this handle is cool. There we go. 5 minutes. We have to let it cool, and then we'll wash it and see. I'll bet you it's burnt on there. I'll bet you. It said don't stir it. Oh, that's okay. We're following the rules. This might be why the company closed. It has cooled. Oh yeah. First thing you notice, a cool spot. I expected that. Maybe we're going to use an aluminum heat spreader when we try to cook eggs. Looks like it even burned a little bit. Up. New nylon sponge. Alright. It says I only have to do this once. Well, so far it's coming off. Not too bad so far. So are you telling me that I'm not going to wash off the proteins they talked about bonding on there? So, does anyone know the science? Does anyone know the science? So far that was not as difficult as I thought it would be. That cleaned pretty well. I was worried. Oh, that's clean. I could have been really upset. All right, back to the stove. learning curve, but we got some scrambled eggs out of it. Minimal sticking. Very easy to clean with a little deglazing. Beautiful scrambled eggs. Mmm. You know what I'm going to say? Thanks for watching.